Are you looking to buy a pair of Cartier sunglasses? Our expert team shows you how to authenticate them easily. We'll start by checking the frame. On all authentic Cartier frames, every detail is superbly crafted, leaving no room for error. Strong hinges and quality materials are some of the trademarks of the house. Premium metals include gold-plated details and titanium. If the frame has adjustable nose pads, each side will feature a logo or a signature motif, and the bridges will have engraved measurements. These are small details but important to check, as false frames sometimes skip these parts. Next, the lenses. Cartier sunglasses will have a small yet signature cursive logo on the corner of one lens. Check them and make sure the spelling is correct and legible. After the lenses, we'll look at the inside arms. You will find the signature Cartier cursive logo and alongside it, the serial number, which will usually be from 7 to 10 digits long. The number of digits can vary based on style, release year, and collection. If you don't find it on the temples, it could also be on the bridge. There will be more information, such as the measurement engravings if they're not already on the bridge, where the frame was made, the CE and UKCA stamp, model code, and color code. Now we'll look into detail at the Cartier motifs. The Cartier motifs are signature calling cards of the house. We're looking at the Premier de Cartier, Panthère de Cartier, C Signature de Cartier, and Santos de Cartier. These are found on the external temples. The Premier collection showcases a modern feel with a signature Cartier polish. Frames feature metal rivets in platinum, gold, or ruthenium finishes. Some eyewear from this collection is made with genuine buffalo horn temples. Adorned with the timeless Panthère, this symbol is straight from the house's jewelry collections. Each season, the Panthère is given a modern twist. For 2024, the frame showcases the animal in a beautiful ring-like adornment on the temples. Metal is thick and polished with no imperfections. The C de Cartier initial is another signature. Where the C is intertwined, it is called the double C de Cartier. It represents the personal seal of the brand and is characterized by two refined C letters that are connected, creating its personalized emblem. Borrowed from the house's watches, the Santos de Cartier showcases similar screws along the frame which mirror the watch collection. The visible screws are a crucial part of the Santos de Cartier sunglasses, and they should be well defined and very polished. Is your frame looking good? Let's check the packaging. Official Cartier sunglasses will come in a hard leather case with a branded logo and cleaning cloth. There will be a Cartier warranty card and an authenticity guarantee card for you to fill out should you keep the frames. As one of the most luxurious brands on the market, Cartier sunglasses have a price point that matches its status. Frames with premium materials can cost up to 1,500 to 2,000 euros, while acetate ones generally run a little less expensive. Prices can of course undulate, but if a pair of Cartier sunglasses is very underpriced compared to similar styles on the market, this might be a red flag. So double check the other details before purchasing. How did it go? Do you have any doubts? Tell us in the comments and let us know what other brands you want to see.